Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest videos.
Exactly how to use coconut oil to stop your hair from going grey, thinning or falling out? Coconut oil is becoming increasingly popular for a variety of health benefits and uses. Coconut oil is used for everything from cooking to improving hair and tops. Every list of natural alternatives that can improve your health and well-being. For hair in particular, coconut oil can be used to keep hair looking young by preventing graying and falling out or thinning. Here is how you can use coconut oil on your hair to get the best benefits. For thinning hair, coconut oil is a natural substance that can help hair grow thicker, longer, and faster. The essential fatty acids and vitamins in coconut oil nourish the scalp and remove natural oil buildup that is excreted from the hair follicles. Coconut oil can be used as a daily treatment. Before going to bed, gently wash your hair with a sulfate-free, all-natural shampoo and follow with conditioner. Melt organic virgin coconut oil into a bowl, making sure it is not too hot. Comb out any tangles in your hair that resulted from washing it. Use your fingers to massage the melted coconut oil into your scalp. Part your hair on all areas of your head so your entire scalp gets coated with coconut oil. Wrap a towel or cloth around your head and leave the coconut oil soaking into your scalp overnight.